Hi guys! Wala tayo sa Times Square, New York or sa Shibuya Crossing ng Japan. But we are here at BGC or Bonifacio Global City of the Philippines. So tingnan nyo naman guys, itong lugar na to, napakaganda. Akala mo wala ka sa Pilipinas pero andito ka pa rin sa Pilipinas. So tara guys, samahan nyo ako and let's have a quick walking tour dito sa BGC or Bonifacio Global City. So trivia guys alam nyo ba this is the country's first naked eye 3D LED screen billboard ng Pilipinas? This digital billboard covers around 400 square meters of multimedia display in one Bonifacio High Street. This is the Philippines version of the iconic screen of New York City Times Square and Tokyo Shibuya Crossing ng Japan. So kung mapapadaan ka sa area na to, talagang this is iconic and must visit place dito sa BGC. So, tingnan nyo guys, ang dami nag-stop by sa area na to and nagpipicture-picture dito sa area na to. So, now guys, ikot naman tayo dito sa kabilang side and let's take a walking tour dito naman sa may park area ng One Bonifacio Global City. So, dito guys, masarap mag-walking especially in the afternoon. Time check pala, it's 4:10 p.m. Travel tips guys, pag pupunta kayo dito, it's better to go sa late afternoon, katulad ng ganitong oras, around 4 or 5 p.m. para makikita nyo yung both sides ng afternoon time at saka night time dito sa may area na to. Napaka-relaxing and calming nitong area na to kasi tingnan nyo naman guys, napaka-clean and green. Ang linis nitong lugar and also well-maintained din yung surroundings and ang daming mga lush greens na mga puno and grass sa paligid. So yan guys, dito naman tayo sa kabilang side, mag-walking. And isa pa sa mga na-observe ko dito is ang daming alfresco restaurant dito sa BGC. So, ikaw na talaga yung mamimili kung saan ka kakain. They have a huge variety of restaurants. Alam nyo ba guys na ang lawak nitong park area nila? And kung dadalhin nyo yung kids dito is I'm sure na mag-e-enjoy sila kasi ang laki ng space na malalakaran nila and mapaglalaroan. So, if you're planning to bring your kids dito or family, so better to bring them sa late afternoon para hindi na masyadong maaraw katulad ng ganitong oras. So, again guys, if you are planning to come here, just remember this place. So, we are here at Bonifacio High Street. So, i-waze nyo na lang para mas madali nyong malocate yung area, especially para sa mga first time na pupunta dito. So, ngayon naman guys is medyo hungry na. So, ngayon is hanap tayo ng makakainan natin ngayong late afternoon. So, ayan guys, finally nahanap na natin kung saan tayo kakain ng late afternoon snack. So, tara guys, kain tayo. So, ayan guys, dumating na yung orders natin. Fries, chicken nuggets, burger, and McFlurry. Tara guys, let's eat. So yan guys, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you learned something today. Subscribe to my channel, Froggy Bear Travels, for more travel and informative vlogs. Stay safe everyone. everyone!